Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will explain error analysis based on paragraphs that have been written by two of our volunteers. First of all, my name is Anissa Sapira, and my friends are Alvina Damayanti, Namira Lutania Putri, and Mahmudi Hidayah. The first analysis will be explained by myself, Anissa Sapira. The first paragraph was written by our volunteer, Humaira Yara, an elementary school student. Let me read the paragraph first. My grandmother. During school holidays, I always went at my grandmother's house to visiting her. My grandmother was a kind and gentle person. Whenever I at her house, my grandmother always makes me some delicious food. Besides, my grandmother is very good at knitting. She made me a very nice head knit. I really love my grandmother. The first paragraph, there are several errors in the sentence. There are wrong preposition. The use of the preposition at is not correct. It should use preposition to. To indicates the movement of someone or something from one place to another or from one person to another. The keyword here is displacement. So it should be I went to my grandmother's house. And then wrong verb form or misformation. There is wrong verb form. The sentence used is simple past tense, so it should just be visit, not visiting. So it should be to visit her. And then omission. There is the absence of an item that must appear in a well-formed utterance. Whenever I at her house is incorrect. Should add to be after I. The correct order of these sentences is subject plus to be plus noun or adjective. Because there is a noun, which one is house, so it should whenever I am at her house. And the next explanation of the error analysis will be delivered by Mahmudi Hidayah.
My name is Mahmudi Hidayah. In the next sentence, there are some errors. Misinformation, there is use of morphemes or error structure for information or place that is not regular. Knitting incorrect. It's all knitting. Mismothering, there is incorrect placement of a morpheme group. Head knit is incorrect. It's all knit head. The writing must be an adjective, the followed by a noun. Next, we talking the errors. There are two misformation, one mismothering, one omission, and one wrong preposition. So there are 5 errors. Beside on the table, it turns out that the error that often appears is misformation.
So the description of error analysis that Humaira Yara made is 20% wrong preposition, 20% omission, 40% misformation, and 20% misordering. The next explanation of the error analysis will be delivered by Namira Lutania Putri.
I'm Namira. I will explain about error analysis in the second paragraph. And the second paragraph was written by our volunteer, Najla Dwi, a primary school student. Let me read the paragraph first. My best friend. Zahra and Dania are best friends. They are both thin and tall, but Zahra is a bit taller. They both has a round face and short hair. Zahra has straight hair, but Dania has curly hair. Dania has round eyes, but Zahra has small eyes. Zahra and Dania both go to Mulia Primary School. They are both in grade 5th. Zahra likes science, but Dania loves English. They both love sport. Zahra likes playing futsal, but Dania don't. She loved playing basketball. In the second paragraph, there are several errors in the sentences. Let's take a look at the third sentence of this paragraph. They both has a round face and short hair. Zahra has straight hair, but Dania has curly hair. First error in third sentence is a regularization error. Regularization error is an error having exceptional items of the given class that do not take a marker. Like the example in paragraph 2 in third sentence, from a singular word it changed to plural word. The word has should be replaced with have, because the use of the word have must always be paired with I, you, they, we. And the second error in third sentence is an addition error. Addition error is an error with the addition of an element that should not appear. As in the sentence, a round face should be a round faces. The use of as is only used in the present simple tense, which use the third person singular as the subject like he, she, it. Next, move to the sixth sentence of this paragraph. They are both in grade 5th. There is a misordering error. Misordering error is an error sorting or stacking is flagged by incorrect placement of a morpheme or morpheme group. In this sentence, it should be 5th grade, not grade 5th.
I'm Alvina Damayanti, and now I will continue. In this paragraph, there are several errors in the sentence. Type of error: addition. There is an addition error. Addition error is an error with the addition of an element that shouldn't appear. As in this sentence, we both love sports. It should be we both love sports. The word loves changed into love because the use of as is only used in the present simple tense, which uses the third person singular as the subject, like he, she, it. Next, the type of error: misformation. There's a sentence, I like playing football, but she don't. In this sentence, there is a misformation error. Misformation errors are those characterized by the use of the wrong form of morpheme or structure. The error is in the word don't should be doesn't. Next, we're talking the errors. There are 2 addition, 1 misformation, 1 misordering, and 1 regularization. So there are 5 errors. And based on the table, it turns out that the error that often appears is addition. So, the description of error analysis that Najla Dwi made is 20% regularization, 40% addition, 20% misformation, and 20% misordering. And that's all from us about error analysis from our volunteers. Sorry if there are many mistakes, and thank you.